What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. Hope this video is finding you well, guys. It is, what day is it? Thursday. Christmas is almost here, man. So you know what? A lot of people are about to get ready to start for those New Year's resolutions. A lot of people are about to get ready. So a lot of people are going to want to make money. A lot of people are going to want to change their lifestyle. They're going to want to change their eating habits. There are going to be a lot of resolutions here where people are just going to want to be a new them. So, you know, you want to have something in place for people. So when the influx of people start coming, you know, you want to have the programs, you want to have the setups. You literally want to have everything out, you know, for them. And for you guys that don't know, if you're new to my channel, my name is Jay Jordan. I've actually been in online marketing since 2000 and end of 2012. Since then, and guys, I've just been on a journey, man. It's been a fun journey learning, you know, setbacks I had to go through. I was hard-headed at times, and now, you know, I'm at that point to where I've increased my sales. I can make my sales on autopilot. You know, people join me. I know how to set up capture pages and systems. I literally know how to do this thing now, man. Like, I can put it together, a capture page in no time. You know, I can mimic capture pages. So it's a blessing to be able to do those type of things and have that type of skill. And when you're able to teach people these type of things as well, it allows them to be able to create an additional income. And that's what I've decided to be a part of. So for you guys that don't know, I'm a part of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, it allows me to go out and sell others or offer others products or services to other people. And when these people take part of that, the company pays me a commission, or i.e. I get reseller rights. So reseller rights just allows me to go out here and pretty much make the program like it's mine and go out here and make a commission off of it, 100% commission. And that's what I'm involved in right now, is a program that allows me to earn unlimited $250 commissions. It's a beautiful thing. These commissions go into my Stripe account and my PayPal. So if it goes in my Stripe, it's about 48 hours before I'm able to get it. And then if it goes into my PayPal, I have a PayPal business card. So that PayPal business card is going to allow me to get my money instantly. Just go in and swipe it, withdraw it, whatever I want to do. You know, I'm a part of a mastermind where we're showing you how to dominate online marketing that you can really utilize for any business here that you're involved in. And we have a community of people that are just crushing it. We have live hangouts and stuff for people that, you know, that are interested and want to check it out. So, you know, we do videos that explain the program and company for everyone. And 2019 is going to be very, very big for us, guys. So I wanted to shoot this video real quick for you guys today, just to let you know that we have something in place that's going to allow you to do this. It's no you don't have to keep paying for anything. It's no auto ship. It's no recurring payment. It's no admin fees. One and done. And you're able to earn unlimited $250 commissions, guys. So click. There's going to be a link at the bottom for you to get more details regarding the information. And I look forward to working with you guys and setting up a time to speak, you know, so we can definitely get going. Okay, so this is your boy Jay. Hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. I'm out. Peace.